Why China is much ahead of USA and India. It is a brutal truth that China has made more progress than countries like US and India. China has used its population to the maximum advantage. It is said as soon as the door of opportunity opens, Chinese don't wait and straight away enter the door. India also is placed second as far as population is concerned. Then what is it that puts China ahead? In 1980, China and India were at the same level as far as GDP is concerned. Yet within 20 years, China had outperformed India and as of today has GDP 5 times that of India. How did it outperform India? The answer lies in the fact that China was willing to let foreign investors access its assets, labor and non-traded infrastructure at a very lower cost than Indian competitors. Trade barriers and tariffs with other countries were lowered and soon Chinese goods were everywhere, and China became workshop to the world in the last 4 decades, i.e., after introduction of reforms in 1978, China has lifted more people out of poverty than any other country. China has surpassed United States to become the richest nation in the world. China's wealth jumped from $7 trillion in year 2000 to $120 trillion in 2020. While the US was engaged with countries like Iraq, Libya, Syria, Yemen and Afghanistan in the last 20 years, China was slowly and steadily climbing up the ladder to overtake US in almost all fields, economic and otherwise. It is said ideas are not important in China, execution is. What do you think are the other reasons why China is ahead of India and US? Info brief. Please subscribe our channel.